Suzuki cars.
Okay guys, we're going to be taking these 4 bolts out bottom of the car. Hope y'all can see that. Okay, there's a pin here you have to pull out. I guess I'll use the key. And that'll remove that. Where did it go? There it is. Alright, once these 4 bolts are out, the pins out of here, you can pull it right out of the under the hood area. Okay guys, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now. Don't forget to remove your vacuum hose. And that's it. time. Okay guys, now you put the bolts in there. There's 3 of them. 4, I'm sorry, 4. Okay, one more. It's not sticking up. Good. Now we'll take care of what's under the hood and get this thing bled, hopefully. I'm losing all my fluid. Guys, we're gonna see if get this thing started and see if it hisses like it did before. Alright, she good, there's no hissing. And I could feel the power brake, so now I gotta bleed the master first and then eventually the front wheels second. That's it for that side. Whoa, that's a lot of air. Maraming hangin. Oh, last time. Last one, go ahead. Last time, guys. Here we go. And we're done. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, that concludes the master brake install, removal, and also the brake bleeding in the front. I'm going to be bleeding the front brakes on the side, on the front calipers next. After doing the brakes, had a little issue. The brake light would stay on This car, it's not adjustable. It's one way or that's it. No screw here like on the older cars. So the way I figured out to adjust this thing, we're gonna have, because the moment you release the pedal, it pushes down on this, but it doesn't push down hard enough, leaving your brake pedal on. And since there's no adjustment here, there, or outside, the only adjustment I'm thinking of making would be here. See that, guys? Right there. So we're gonna bend this tab out, and that will successfully shut out the light. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when you don't bend the tab out. You can see the wires connected, and when you push the brake in, it releases that and the switch comes on. But the problem is, it's still on when you release it. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like outside, the way you see it right here. It's the correct way, okay? I'll show you what it looks like outside. So outside, guys, it looks like this. It's hard to see here because of the dark tint, but the brake lights are continuously on, draining my battery. Okay, I'm gonna bend this tab just a little bit. Just a little. Right about there. About there. And push this up there to make it square. I'm doing this while filming, guys. I'll have to set this camera down. There we go. Okay, that effectively put this tab backward, which made it not flat, I guess it's oblong. So what I did is I squeezed it harder here to move this tab further this way. So now I've increased the distance, okay? And now we're going to put the switch back on. Put this down first. There. And that's the way to adjust your brake. So your brake light isn't on all the time, guys. I know you all didn't see it before, but take my word for it. It was on, and it was killing my battery, among other things. ABS going out and a bunch of other issues. So let's go take a look at it. Oh, it's off. Good. Oh, it's off.